कन्वर्ट करना है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, सो हियर फर्स्ट लेट अस स्टार्ट with question number here A, 2 upon 12. So we have to reduce 2 upon 12. So what we'll do here, 2 into 1, 2 into 6. Okay, so 2 cancel, we get 1 upon 6. यहाँ पे 3 into 1, 3 into 5. So 3 cancel, we get 1 upon 5. Next 2 into 4 and 2 into 25. So 2 cancel, we get 4 upon 25. Next 4 into 4 and 4 into 25. 4 cancel, we have 4 upon 25. Next here 10 into 1 and 10 into 6. So 10 cancel, we get 1 upon 6. Next 5, we will have 15 into 1, 15 into 3, 15 into 5. So 15 cancel, we have 1 upon 5. For 12 upon 60, we have 12 upon 1 and 12 into 5. So 12 cancel, we have 1 upon 5. Next 16 upon 96, so 16 into 1 and 96, 16 into 6. So we have 1 upon 6. For 12 upon 75, what we will have? We have 4 into 3 and 25 into 3. So 3 cancel. So 4 upon 25. For 12 upon 72, we will have 12 into 1 and for 72, 12 into 6. 12 cancel or reduces to 1 upon 6. For next 3 upon 18, 3 into 1 and 3 into 6. 3 cancel, we will have 1 upon 6. And here 4 upon 20, 1 is even and 1 is odd number, so it will be as it is. There will be no further reduced form. Okay, it is as it is. Acha. Now here by looking to all these things, you can come to know that there are 3 fractions are there. One is 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 4 by 25. तो ये 3 fractions है अलग-अलग जिसमें सब सारे नंबर्स इसी नंबर्स पे रिड्यूस होकर आए हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट अस डिवाइड. ऑलरेडी द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, डिवाइड इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स. सो वी कैन हैव दिस 3 ग्रुप्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप हमारा हो सकता है 1/5 का. अनदर ग्रुप इज ऑफ 1/6 एंड थर्ड ग्रुप इज ऑफ 4/25. ठीक है, चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट. स्टार्टिंग से शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है, यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. 2/12 कहाँ है 1/6 में? सो राइट ऑन 2/12. 1/5 का है 3/15, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, फिर 4/25 इज 8/50. नेक्स्ट 16/100 का है 4/25, 16/100. 10/60 का है 1/6. नेक्स्ट 15/75 का है 1/5. ठीक है, फिर 12/60 का है 1/5. 16/96 का रिड्यूस फॉर्म है 1/6. देन 12/75 का है 4/25. ओके, 12/72 goes for 1/6. Next 3/80 again goes to 1/6. And 4/25 as it is. So here we have 3 groups. Okay, here we have 3 different groups with the reduced form of 1/5, 1/6 and 4/25. Okay, in question number 7 we have to find out whether the fraction given are equal to the other fraction or not. Okay, first question is 5/9 equal to 4/5. So let us set the and convert them to equivalent fraction and then we will come to know. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो भी डिनोमिनेटर है वो डिफरेंट अच्छा 5/9 को हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से, बोथ द साइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 25/45, और 4/5 को हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 9 से, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, तो हमें मिला है 36/45. So looking to this fraction 25/45 and 36/45, we can say that no, the fractions 5/9 is not equal to 4/5, right? Next question, 9/16 and 5/9. Here again, looking at the denominator, what we have 16 even and 9 is odd. So what we will have here? Again you can convert it to equivalent fraction. ठीक है, तो हम लोग जब कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? LCM 144. ओके, so multiply 16 into 9 and 9, what we got? 81/144, and 5/9 multiplied by 16. So what we got? 80/144. Okay. So here looking at the fraction 81/144 and 80/144, we can say no. Here 9/16 is not equal to 5/9, right? Next, 4/5 and 16/20. So here 4/5 is a fraction where it is already in the simplest form. अच्छा, और 16/20 को हम सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, so 16/20 we can write 4 into 4 and 4 into 5. So cancelling 4 and 4, what we get? 4/5. So here 4/5, and you can see here reduced form of 16/20 is 4/5. So both the fractions are equal. So here we can write that yes, 4/5 is equal to 6/20. Okay. Next, 1/15. Already in unit fraction, and here it is 4/30. So 4/30 आप reduce कर सकते हैं. So what you will have? 2 into 2, and here you have 2 into 15. Okay. So cancelling both the side, you will have 2/15. Here denominators are same, but here 2/15 is greater, not equal to 1/15. So here we can say that no, 1/15 is not equal to 4/30. Clear? So let us move to the question number 8. Solving question number 8. Our question is, Ela read 25 pages of books containing 100 pages. And Lalita read 2/5, 2/5 of the same book. Who read less? Now the question is, Ela read 25 pages out of 100. बुक में कितने पेजेस थे? 100 पेजेस है, उसने पढ़े कितने? 25. So we can convert it to fraction now. Up to 25 का reduced form क्या होगा? 25/100 का 25 into 1, 25 into 4. So what we got? 1/4. मतलब Ela ने 1/4 book read कर ली. Okay? Ela read 1/4 of the book. Okay? अच्छा, अब हमारा नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या है? ललिता read 2/5. 2/5 of the book. And our question is, who read less? किसने बुक कम पढ़ी है? तो अगेन हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ हमें कंपेयर करना है. क्या करना है? कंपेयर करना है, ठीक है। सो लेट अस कंपेयर हियर 1/4 एंड 2/5। या तो आप एलसीएम ले लीजिए या क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो क्या होगा 5 into 1 and here 2 into 4. So what you have 5 and here it is 8. So less कौन सा है 5 is less and 8 is greater, means 1/4 is less. So किसने बुक कम पढ़ी है ईला, okay 1/4 is less than 2/5. 1/4 is less than 2/5. So our answer is Ela read less. Okay. Our next question is question number 9. Rafi exercised for 3/6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? अब हमारे जो रफीक है उसका फ्रैक्शन दे रखा है, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टाइम व्हाट ही इज एक्सरसाइजिंग, एंड रोहित आल्सो टाइम अबाउट व्हाट लॉन्गर टाइम ही इज एक्सरसाइजिंग। तो हमें क्या करना है दोनों का टाइमिंग को हमें कंपेयर करना है। सो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर सी। ओके फर्स्ट राइट ऑफ द सेंटेंस रफीक exercised for 3/6 of an hour, and next Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Okay, so let us do the comparison here. So what we have to do, let us compare who is exercising more. So हमें इसमें क्या करना है, या तो आप एलसीएम ले सकते हैं या क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो व्हाट विल गो विद द एलसीएम मेथड। सो व्हेन वी डू द एलसीएम मेथड व्हाट वी हैव 2 into 3 2 2 3 1 and 3 1 1. So our LCM comes to 2 into 2 4 4 into 3 is 12. So here when we multiply the denominator with 2 and numerator with 2 will get 12 as LCM, and let us check it out with here. We'll multiply by 3 with numerator also and denominator also. So what we will have here, we will have here 6/12 and here we will have 9/12. Okay, so which number is greater? Here 9 is greater and that comes to the fraction for 3/4. That's go for Rohit. Okay, 3/6 was the fraction for Rafiq. Okay, and 3/4 was for Rohit. So your fraction which is more, that person is exercising for a longer time. So with the comparison we can see that Rohit exercise for longer time. Clear? Next question, question number 10. In a class A of 25 students. Okay, class A के students कितने हैं? Class A के students हैं total students 25. Okay, out of 25, 20 passed with 60% more. Okay, 20 passed with 60% and more. Okay, now another is class B. Class B students are there. Okay, total students for class B is equal to 30, and out of 30 24 passed with 60% and above. Okay, now in which class was the greater fraction of students get 60% or more? किस क्लास में ज्यादा बच्चे 60% और उससे ज्यादा पास हुए हैं, हमें वो फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है। ठीक है, अच्छा अब फर्स्ट फॉर क्लास ए हमारा फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा कंपैरिजन करना है, ठीक है। अब हम इसको कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, करिए, चलो स्टार्ट। तो क्या करते हैं, रिड्यूस फॉर्म करके देखें इसका, ठीक है। अब इसको हम लोग करेंगे तो 4 into 5 and here we will have 5 into 5, okay, so what we will get here, 5 cancel, we have fraction 4 upon 5. यहाँ हम लोग क्या करके देखते हैं रिड्यूस फॉर्म, 6 4s are 24, 6 into 4 is 24, 6 into 5 is 30. So 6 cancel, we have 4 upon 5. So here both the fractions are equal. So what we got here, for 20 upon 25 we are getting fraction 4 upon 5, and for 24 upon 30 we are getting fraction 4 upon 5. So here we are having same fraction for both the class. Okay, so here we can write that same fraction. What fraction we got? 4 upon 5 for class A and B. Okay. Right? So here for you question number 3 is homework. Please try this question and solve it in your notebook, and we will continue with the next part. Thank you.